Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix installer.NET framework 3.9 fail error code on Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in the search box type gpedit.msc. So open a local group policy editor. After that, select the administrative templates and expand it. Select the system. Now scroll down and find out specifically settings option, component installation and component repair. Enable it and check the download repair content and optional features directly from Windows Update instead of Windows Server Update servers. After selected that, click on apply and OK button. Close it. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.